Friends, there is another question given to you here. Very interesting question actually. You can learn many new things from this question. ABx1 is a perfect square. How many possible values can x have? How many possible values can x have? The options given to you are 2, 3, 4, 5. The options given to you are 2, 3, 4, 5. So clearly, for the sake of your convenience, I have written all the squares, perfect square values from 1 to 24. For 1 square to 24 square, you got all the values, 24 values, because you know it is compulsory. One of the most important feature that you can find, and many rules you can verify from this list. So that's why I kept it ready for you. So clearly he is asking, units place is already given 1, and he is asking how many values that tens place can take when the units place is 1. Friends, here let us revise some rules, important rules. Last digit logic, last digit rule, last 2-digit rule. In that last 2-digit rules also there are so many types of rules that we have already learned. But for your understanding, first I will verify the last digit rule. Friends, you know very well, whatever may be the size of the perfect square. मान लीजिए these are the perfect squares I am writing. If you consider the last 2 digits, in that last 2 digits also, if you consider the units place, what are the values that you can find in the units place of a perfect square number? The last number can be 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. These are the only values that you can find in the last place, in the units digit place of a perfect square number. Other than this, you cannot find any number. Now, my dear friends, the new rule, and you also know that if last 2 places, if you need to check, okay, and when you are placing some number in the tens place, and if this total number is a perfect square, these 2 numbers, what you are putting here, should match with one of these values of the results of 1 square to 24 square. So this number, whatever you are putting, these 2 numbers, ये दोनों मिलके these 2 numbers, tens place number and units place numbers, what are we writing here, should match with the 24 value, one of the 24 values of this 1 square to 24. Then only we can claim it as a perfect square. Now in that one more point you are going to learn, my dear friends, you are claiming it to be perfect square number and units place must be 0, and they are asking what is the tens place number. Tens place number, compulsorily it will be 0. Someone is saying units place is 0 and there is some digit number, 10 digit or 6 digit or 4 digit or 3 digit, whatever it may be, and last 2 places he has given some puzzle and he is telling units place is 0, and what would be the tens place? Compulsory the tens place also should be 0. Otherwise it is not a perfect square. You can check. If it is 0, tens place will be 0. If units place is 0, tens place will be 0. For 900 also it is like that only. For 900 also it is 0. I am starting from, the logic is starting from units place. Sir, in the tens place also, here also 0 is there. That we will see later. I am starting, if this is units place, what is the fate of the tens place? That is what I am telling. So our origin of logic is from units place here. Agar 0, units place में 0 आता है, then the tens place also will be 0, right? Now in the same way, if the units place of a perfect square is 5, compulsorily the tens place will be 2. If the units place of a perfect square is 0, compulsorily the tens place will be 0. And if the units place of a perfect square is 5, compulsorily the tens place will be 2. Okay? So these 2 points clearly understood. Now coming to 1, 4, 6 and 9. Here comes the actual problem for the student. Sir, what about 1, 4, 6 and 9? Whenever the units place is 1, whenever the units place is 4, whenever the units place is 6, whenever the units place is 9. Particularly this question is regarding whenever the units place is 1. My dear friends, here I want to tell you, whenever the units place is 1, 4, 9. 1, 4 and 9. So like this you can understand logically, 1, 4, 9 themselves they are perfect square. 1 itself is a perfect square, 1 square is equal to 1. 4 itself is a perfect square, 2 square is equal to 4. 9 itself is a perfect square, 3 square is equal to 9. Like that also you can remember. Just for the sake of remembering, I said, whenever the units place of a perfect square is 1 or 4 or 9, compulsorily the possibility of tens place will be of only 5 integers, whatever the integer. 0 is an even integer, I am taking it as, right? So 0, there is a possibility of only 5 numbers. What are the even integers, including 0 I am talking about? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here also, when the units place is 4, there is a possibility of 5 numbers. What are that 5 numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. They will only come. In the case of 9 also, you can find the same thing. 0, 2, 4 or 6 or 8. Whenever the perfect units digit number of a perfect square is 1, 4 or 9, there is a possibility of only 5 numbers. They are nothing but even integers, including 0. Okay, because 2, 4 and 6, 8 also you can call them as integers, right? So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You can check if you want. For one number I will check. Suppose for 1 I will check, because our question is related to 1. For 1 you can find 0 here. Okay, and you can find 8 here. Clearly you can see. Okay, you can find 2 here, and you can find 6 here, and you can find 4 here. We can find 4 here. Okay, for 4 I am taking 4. 4 you can find tens place 0 here, and 2 where we can find 2 here, you can find 2, and 6 where we can find when the unit digit is 4, 6 you can find here. 4 where we can find 4, here we can find 8 where we can find, here we can find 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In the case of 9 also I will show the same thing. Where is 0? 0 you can find here, 9. And where we can find 2? If 2 you can find here. Where we can find 4? 4 we can find here, units place is 9. Where we can find 6? 6 we can find here. 6 we can find here. And 8 we can find here when the units place are. So all the 3 I verified. So whenever there is a possibility. Why I am checking only these examples? Because out beyond this nothing will come, right? Everything should match with these results only. That's why I verified these results. So for 0 it is always 0. For 5 it is always 2. You already know it. For 1, 4 and 9 there is a possibility of only 5 numbers. They are even integers, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Sir, what about 6? 6 is a different thing here. If the units place of a perfect square is 6, the tens place will be always a odd integer or odd natural number. 0 nahi aata hai, that's why we can say anything. Odd integer or odd natural number. The possibility is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 only will come. You can check if you want. For 6, 1 is here. For 6, 3 is here. Units place is 6, 5 is here. Units place is 6, 7 is here. Units place is 6, 9 is here. Done. So clearly we can say, so whenever they are giving units place, last 2 digit logic only, they are giving units place, and if they are asking what is the tens place, this is a very, very important rule that we should know. For 0 it is 0 only, for 5 it is 2 only. For 1, 4, 9, which are nothing but single digit perfect squares, 1, 4, 9 are nothing but single digit perfect square. There are only three single digit perfect square. What are they? 1, 4, 9. For 1, 4, 9, the tens place will be even integers compulsorily. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. We proved them also. But for 6, which is an exception, in the last we are finding it, if the units place of a perfect square number is 6, the tens place will be odd numbers. What are they? All the 5 possible odd numbers, single digit odd numbers or integers or natural numbers, whatever you say. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So all the examples we have verified it. Okay. So clearly, suppose here 1 is given. So 1 is nothing but a single digit perfect square is coming in the units place. So what could be the possible values? 5. So our answer will be 5. Our answer will be 5. Suppose if the question is something like this, a, b, x, 0. What is the possible, how many possible values that x can take? You will take only 1 because that will be 0. Suppose if the question is a, b, x, 5, how many values that x can take, or what is that value? How many value? That is 1. What is that? That is 2. Or this question, a, b, x, the last digit, 1 or 4 or 9, whatever it may be. How many values this x can take? Like this, you will take, it can take 5 values. What are that 5 values? That 5 values can be 0, it can be 2, or it can be 4, or it can be 5, it can be 6, or it can be 8. So in this place, if this is 1 or if this is 4 or if this is 9, if this question, how many values it can take? Answer is same, that is 5. Answer is same, that is